Hey guys, let's take a look some of the changes, the latest changes that Atlassian, is planning to make. Let's go through some changes that I'm going to say matter. So we have this change where it says view bundled changes in product updates. So you already know that when you go to admin.atlassian.com, when you go for products and the product updates, you get that bundled changes for Jira products or bundled changes for Confluence. This sounds interesting, so I'm going to take a look at it so I can see what this actually is. So you go to your products, and within your products, you're also going to have the product updates. Okay. And now it's saying that you have those bundled changes. Well, right now we don't have that right now, so this is something that indeed needs to roll out. Okay. And this is going to be something that is going to be new this week. This is something that is coming soon, where there's an improvement to users list. This change applies to customers who have centralized user management experience. Status, role, and product access are now separate filters. Okay, this is like a small thing to actually make kind of a better user experience, but basically that is it. This is interesting to copy specific Jira Service Management and Jira Work Management projects to your sandbox. Now, this work management, this doesn't exist anymore. It's now called Jira because the merging of these two products are actually in there. That's interesting. We already know this. Accessibility, styled, okay. Classification levels. Well, most of these things are already there. Let's go for Jira changes. One of those is changes to assets object field when using the Jira Service Management portal. Okay. That is interesting, where you're basically the expanded customer portal request details views is not yet available for use for pro forma forms or JSM forms. However, if you'd like to have the expanded portal requests in JSM forms, you can vote for the feature request here. Right, so this is something else. Right, so what you actually have is task and decision features in custom fields. Admins can add tasks or decision as part of the default value for work item description and paragraph fields. This improves clarity and ensures important tasks and decisions are abandoned when a work item is created. The new updated terminology. Work items, not issues anymore. Alright, so this is going to be an interesting one to get the automation rule recommendations directly in the issues and the alerts. So this is going to be applied to JSM only. When you open an issue or an alert, you may see an automation rule recommendation when specific keywords are found in the summary or description. This is actually pretty good because you can, based on this, to get more time saved. But it's saying that this is designed to streamline the workflow by identifying potential process improvements before you even start troubleshooting. Okay. Enhancements to work item hierarchies in the issue navigator. Yeah, this is something that is going to be available when you go to the list, and you're going to be able to actually see the hierarchies in there. Colorful categories, not really something that is important. Bundled projects already is there. Yeah. Okay, so nothing interesting more in there. So let's go back. Let's go back here. Let's go for some Jira Service Management. Playbooks. Yeah, this is going to be a huge one. And there is a whole option when you're creating the playbooks, when you're going to have your standardized procedures and to actually work towards the resolving of requests more faster, if I can say it like that. All right, so this is the same. This is the same. Playbooks. Yep, that is it. Okay. Yeah, nothing more in there. I would say the playbooks is going to be a huge one. What else do we have? We have, let's go for Confluence. First, new notifications. It's okay. You can view the reactions in email notifications. And it's saying that basically display the reaction in emails. Okay. And improved clarity. Know exactly what emoji a user reacted with. I mean, okay, this is like a little bit of tweaking. Nothing special that is coming in there. Oh, this is interesting. Layout sorting and AI descriptions coming to cards. The cards macro used in Company Hub and in Confluence content will have few new options. You'll be able to change the layout of the cards, displaying them as a never-ending row or multiple stacks. Interesting. Dynamic cards can now be sorted by creation time in addition to the last time the linked content was modified. So you're gonna be able, when you use the cards, and then you have the option display as and the alignment option to change the layout of your cards. Okay. And you're gonna have a new navigation that is going to be there as well. Basically, that new navigation is a copy paste of Jira. It's not gonna be anything. It's gonna be added there. It's gonna be like, it's gonna have like the wow effect, unless you're already using the new Jira UI. Then yes, this is going to be something that you're gonna be like. Okay, select and drag multiple elements. This is the new feature that lets you drag and drop multiple selected elements. This update allows you to move multiple elements together. So that is the multi-select, drag and drop. Okay. Enhancing like commenting and all of that. If I start to like read every of it, this video would last forever, basically. All right, so let us see in here. Product discovery. Roadmaps are now supported in the new navigation. Interesting. Enable free access level in your product discovery. So if your site is on a free plan, everyone with created product access will be a project admin. Well, that's interesting. And there are new permissions for the roadmaps as well, because there was introduction of roadmaps as a new project template that you can actually create, but the main focus is on the roadmaps actually. So for product owners, this is a perfect feature. And that is it. Those are the Atlassian changes for this week. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. See ya. Bye.